Okay. Stop. Sir, with the white shirt, sit down, please.
Sit down. Sit down.
I also cannot sit.
You can sit down.
Sit down, please.
Do me a favor, turn around. Both of you face that direction right now.
For what?
Turn around.
For what?
Face that direction.
For
Put
what?
hands on your head.
For what? No, I know my rights. For what?
I'm asking you to do
For
that.
what?
Please turn
My
around.
hands are in
Just
the air.
listen.
Officer,
I understand that.
So I'm asking.
Put your hands in the air, man. Put your hands in the air. There you
For
go.
what?
There you go.
Turn
For
around.
what?
Make sure you don't have a
Do
weapon.
not double tase him.
Put your hands on your head. Interlace your fingers.
Are we being detained?
Now!
Yes.
You're being detained.
For what?
Interlace your fingers on the back of your
2-5,
head.
we're out
For what?
2, and they're
What are we
uncooperative.
being
get to that in a
detained
minute.
for? Answer my question, officer.
No, we're not
I know my
talking.
rights. I don't fucking do anything, man. What the fuck, bro? Come on.
All right, take a step backwards. You're going to step off the curb, okay? Down and off the curb. Spread your feet for me. Do you have any weapons on you? Huh? Do you have any weapons on you?
I don't have anything.
Okay.
I'll fucking take your time. You hear me? I didn't do shit to you.
I know.
Fuck you mean?
All you do is what I asked you to do.
For what? What are we being
this
detained
gentleman?
for? For what? I know my
this
rights.
gentleman?
What are we being detained for? You never
All
answered
right,
my
do me a favor.
question.
Just have a seat on
I'm
the
trying
curb
to
for me,
figure out
okay?
whose arm and if you're related to over
And I
there.
told
And
you
you're not
no.
answering my
And
questions.
I told you no.
It's called
Did you see any gun?
failing to obey lawful orders.
Did you see any gun?
It's called failing to obey a lawful order.
What were we being detained
and
for?
You're going to jail for failing to obey a lawful
For
order.
what?
Failing to obey a lawful
Which
order.
is what?
To sit down, put your hands up, turn
I
around.
told you I have a pulled groin.
I don't care. Lawful order, you do what you're told.
If I can't sit, then what?
Then you could lay down.
Well, I want to talk to your supervisor.
That was the supervisor.
I want to talk to his boss.
Well, the chief
I
isn't
didn't
here.
do anything, and there are witnesses. Yes.
Hey, look right here. It's all on video, sweetheart.
Yep.
Your
It's all
failing
on
to
video.
obey orders is on video.
What crime did I commit exactly?
I just told you.
Which is what?
I just told you.
Which is what?
I just told you.
You tased me.
For failing to obey a lawful
what was
order.
The order?
We were giving you orders,
What
and
was the order?
you decided to tell us you
What
knew your
was
rights.
the order?
Okay, we're done having this conversation.
What was the order?
Sir, what is your name?
What was the order?
What is your name?
Can I have the order, please?
I've already discussed it with
I may
you.
have a concussion. You tased me because I was failing to
You're right.
obey orders.
You're right.
What was the order?
I've already discussed this with
What
you.
was the order?
What is your name?
What was the order?
All right,
Can I get the order,
we'll just
please?
add more charges. That's fine.
Can I? Did anyone get any order? Because I didn't.
Okay, it's all on video, so it's fine.
Late on February 19th, Darren Kelly was standing outside an apartment complex in Aurora, Colorado, talking with his cousin when officers from the Aurora Police Department suddenly pulled up. Police were responding to a 911 call claiming a child had been threatened with a gun, but officers had not confirmed the story or identified any suspect before approaching Kelly. Less than 90 seconds after contact was made, Sergeant Burns fired his taser. Kelly immediately fell backwards, smashing his head against the concrete. The entire incident was captured on body camera footage. All right, easy enough.
D-A-R-S-H-E-A-N?
S-E-A-N.
Okay, no H. What's your last name? Kelly, like K-E-L-L-Y? E-Y? What's your date of birth, Mr. Kelly?
You guys find out from them.
I'm sorry, I could not hear you.
about Dad
September
and the
9th,
gun and
1994.
stuff like that. What he looked like, whether he took the gun.
We're going to have rescue come check you out, make sure you're okay, and then we're going to go to jail. Okay?
So what's your name?
I got it. Here. Go clear him. Start Sean, just no H. So D-A-R-S-E-A-N, Kelly.
Let me just brand down that one over there.
Where at? On the inside of the fence? Probably from here. Just watch that way.
A number of them might be from there. So Why don't you park it and check? Does he live there? Sometimes, so he's in and out. Is he your dad? No.
This is the one that supposedly pulled me again.
No.
Okay. What's
What
that?
officer tased me?
No officer tased you.
Yes.
No,
yes.
a sergeant tased you.
Who?
Me.
Oh, so you being funny?
No, I'm being correct.
I did, sir.
What is your name?
Sergeant Burns,
Be in the report.
and it will be on the report.
What did you tase me for?
Refusing to obey my orders.
Which is what?
Place
We-
your hands behind your back.
And I,
We-
and
we-
I asked you
we have
what
already
I was
discussed
being
this.
detained for. Sir, I am not talking to you. I'm
For
talking
an
to your sergeant.
investigation. For an investigation of someone being armed. I don't know who's armed here. This is a gun call.
I told you we didn't have any guns.
I don't believe you. You don't listen to my orders, that's going to happen.
I asked you what we were being detained for.
I don't know. I don't know. Probably, but not me. Probably wherever my
There
recruit
was
is.
no explanation. I asked you what we were
Yeah,
being
he's in
detained for, and you tased me because I asked you what we were being detained for.
Here's the deal. We don't have to explain it to you.
Right. And
You're
I've already
officers of the
explained to you,
law.
sir.
We know our rights.
I've already
We don't
explained
have
you,
to
sir.
explain it to you until we get things under control. That's what it comes down to.
I want to
You
talk to your superior.
you are. That is my superior
I
right
want to
there.
talk to his superior.
Well, you'll have to wait. They don't come out to the scene. Okay? If you have a complaint, you can take it up later.
You tased me because I asked you what I was being detained for.
We don't have time to explain things until we get it under control. Once we know things are safe for us to explain things, then we would have explained it to you. But when you don't listen and you're being uncooperative,
I asked you what we were being detained
I'm
for.
very clear on what you were asking. But you got to understand, when we're dealing with somebody that possibly may be armed, we don't have time to explain it. Okay?
From the moment officers approached him, Darren Kelly kept asking one basic question. What are we being detained for? He asked it over and over, but despite repeating it more than a dozen times, officers never gave him a direct explanation. The Fourth Amendment protects people from being stopped by police without reasonable suspicion. In Terry v. Ohio, the Supreme Court ruled that officers can briefly detain someone only if they can point to specific facts connecting that person to possible criminal activity. Here, police were responding to a gun-related call, but they had no suspect description, no confirmed identity, and no evidence linking Kelly to any crime. He was simply standing outside near the apartment complex when officers arrived. Just being nearby does not automatically make someone a suspect. Location alone is not reasonable suspicion, and repeatedly asking why you are being detained is not against the law. Yet only moments later, Kelly was tased for continuing to ask a question officers refused to answer.
Did we get the information we needed from there, or are we still going?
Rick's got
Don't
some
say
info from him.
anything. Keep your mouth quiet.
He's not in trouble. What? Okay. And he fell on the back of his head, so if you could take a picture.
Either one of your traffic was audible. Say again.
You do the download?
Yeah, what I'll do is I'll email it to you.
Is Rusty coming?
They're right over there. I told you.
Oh, okay. I'm like, I thought we called for him a while ago.
Yeah. No.
Do we know where stepdad is?
No, he doesn't know.
Okay.
So
All right.
that's the $1 million question.
Okay.
Yeah, so when I pulled up,
Standing on the sidewalk, failing to obey orders. We're here on a gun call. We don't know his arm. We tased him. He fell backwards, hit his head on the concrete or the blacktop, and then was taken into custody. So it's just a fall from the tasing.
Okay.
But he did hit his head.
What's your name? Josh, huh? All right, we're just going to check you out medically, okay? Are you in any pain anywhere?
Yeah, they tased me. Shit hurts. I hit my head on the sidewalk because these assholes
Where'd they
didn't.
tase you at?
My back.
Your back, okay. I'm just going to lift up your shirt to look at it.
Yeah, it looks like one right in the middle through the shirt.
You remember everything that happened? You okay? Your wrist, you're okay?
What are you looking for?
Did you see his head?
It's sitting right next to him.
That's
oh, that's right.
that
Yeah.
axe.
I'm going to touch your touch right, all right?
The cartridge is right down.
What's that?
The cartridge.
It's on the other side over there, so I'll grab that one.
He's got
They were,
they were out here. Pulled up. I don't know.
You guys want them?
Oh yeah.
So I'll just ask if you want us to go to the hospital. If not, you release back to you guys. You
Fine
guys
with
can
me.
Pick tasers and all that.
Whatever you need to do medically, and then we'll take him from there.
The only thing they can do is take your eyes. I'm not mad because you just want to feel like you need to take a red dot. Some people drive the tender to the hospital, fuck police, and he's just sitting there cussing her out. Any blood vision at all? Like spazzing out. Nothing is at first, her leg would be cramped up.
Kind of, you were already giving him orders. I didn't want him to take over orders from me. So I'm like, just don't. He pulled his taser out. I go, do not double tase him. Just put your taser away.
He says he wants to go to the hospital, so
Of course.
Yeah,
he
that's
does.
fine.
Yep.
Yeah.
We'll follow you, or them.
You tased me. Who
Yep.
was that?
It was Sergeant Burns.
Was that you?
No, it was not.
It was me.
Why did you tase me exactly?
We've discussed
We've
it.
done this twice already.
I don't remember.
Okay, that's fine.
The concrete really fucking hard.
It'll all be written down in the report.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, it is.
You ready? 1, 2, 3, up. All right. How you feel as you stand up? Yeah. Yep. You gotta make sure that we're not.
The REL, D-A-R-R-E-L.
Who shot me with the taser? Who shot me with the taser?
Sergeant Byrne, you just talked to him.
Oh, well, I'm sorry. I hit my head on the...
I understand that. We've explained it to you. If you have any questions about it, it will all be written in the report along with the video. Okay? Just worry about getting yourself taken care of at this point.
Hey, you good?
After being tased, Darren Kelly immediately asked Sergeant Burns, "What did you tase me for?" Burns claimed officers were responding to a possible gun call and said Kelly failed to follow orders. Kelly repeatedly explained that he did not have a weapon and continued asking why he was being detained, but officers refused to give a clear answer. Instead, they told him they did not have to explain themselves until the situation was under control. One officer even stated, "We're officers of the law. We know our rights." When Kelly asked to speak with a higher supervisor, he was told to file a complaint later. Throughout the encounter, Kelly stood with his hands raised and never acted aggressively. He was not running, hiding, or threatening officers. He was simply asking a constitutional question. Sergeant Burns argued that the orders were lawful because Kelly did not obey them. But that is not how the law works. Police orders must be backed by legal authority, not just demanded through force. In this case, that legal justification appeared to be missing.
Back in St. Mounts here. Got 2 steps up. Are you able to hop up on that, or you want us to take the bed out? Watch your head there. You guys gonna ride with us? Or you gonna take him out of cuffs?
I don't know. They're gonna look at him for just a second.
We're gonna transport him.
Are they gonna do anything? Like they leaving right this second?
Not right now.
Okay,
We'll
give me
wait for you.
like a minute and a half, and I'll let you know. So I'm kind of cautious about taking him out of cuffs. If he's in cuffs, one of us has to ride with him. I don't know how far along my recruit is, but do you think there's an issue with him following if I ride in the ambulance?
No, that's cool.
Okay,
Yeah,
let me go see where he is in the.
Yeah.
Okay. Harris, do you have what you need for whatever we're doing here?
Just get some more questions for him.
Okay. Are you guys tied up on anything besides this? Is there a way you guys could jump one in the... I don't want to handcuff him until we get down there. But they need somebody to ride with him. And I want him to finish his investigation. So if somebody...
Where's he going? University?
So if somebody could ride with him, just follow, and then we'll be right behind after he gets his questions done.
Yeah, I'll jump in with him.
All right.
Follow us to university?
Thanks.
Do you happen to know where Darrell is not here? You know what kind of area he hangs around here in Aurora? Does he work?
I know he works, but I don't know where.
What's he do for work?
What did he pull a gun on? Is it a little kid, or did he pull it on him?
Pull it on a little kid, is what they were saying.
Okay, so I'm just trying to figure out if he's taking his call. We got to figure out where the little kid is, because this is our RP, right? Do you know?
What's that? I
Nothing.
gotta deal with this.
I know. Sorry. Is he the one that called?
His mom did. So
We need to talk to his mom. And where's the little kid that was involved in
My
this?
sister? I don't know.
Did they leave?
I don't
Mom
know.
was
I left,
here.
I left before any. I
'Cause
left.
one of the gang guys was talking with his mom. She was like in a red coat, right?
I think so.
Like a red top of some sort. They may be back over at the house.
Probably not out here. She probably.
So
But one of the gang guys was talking to her?
yeah.
Was the little kid out here?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, so
These are the only two that were out here.
So he's got
Right,
got a
these two,
12-year-old
but-
sister.
I guess somebody went and talked to mom over here.
Yeah,
One of your guys.
yeah.
We just don't know who that is.
I got her name. It's in the car. It's
Are you a
Bliss.
mom's name?
It's Bliss. What's her last name?
That's not my mom. My name.
Two key moments in this incident raised serious legal concerns. First, another officer almost fired a second taser at Deron Kelly while he was already falling to the ground. Sergeant Burns stopped the officer at the last second. Aurora police policy clearly warns officers not to use a taser in places where a fall could cause serious injury. Kelly was standing near a curb with concrete behind him, yet Burns deployed the taser anyway. Kelly then fell backward and hit his head hard on the pavement. Second, after the incident, Kelly was arrested and charged with failing to obey a lawful order. But the case later collapsed in court. The ACLU of Colorado argued that the detention violated Kelly's Fourth Amendment rights, and all charges were eventually dismissed. The dismissal suggested the stop itself may not have been legally justified from the beginning. Instead of admitting the mistake, the arrest appeared to push the situation even further.
Probably one of them who called.
Okay. But does your mom live here?
Yes.
So she may be inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
She was hurt, so I don't.
She's hurt?
Her leg, I guess, was cramping up on her.
Okay.
So that's
she's not like injured. Okay, Foley went in there to talk to him, right?
I know they went over there. I don't know if they went up to the apartment or not.
205, 204, go to TAC.
Did Darrell end up taking the weapon with him when he left?
I left before.
Okay.
Everyone here, I'll just send her
205, 204, you on TAC?
All right, so let me run through the story real quick and just see if I'm missing anything. Okay? So, what time, I guess, first did Darrell arrive? Right now it's
I got home before.
yeah. When did you get home?
I got home.
The entire thing's on my camera.
9:20.
Oh, it is?
Okay.
Because I was lethal cover. Because he was already giving orders as we pulled up.
Okay.
So,
you get home,
and I flipped it on as we were getting out
were
of the
you
car.
guys,
So
now,
Okay.
was your
We should have
cousin,
everything.
He come home with you, or was he already here?
He was already there. You know.
Which one is the woman requesting?
So you
The
come
lady
home,
with the jacket over her shoulder.
and is that instantly when you saw your mom?
She's requesting what?
No, it was like at least 20 minutes.
Okay. So somewhere
I'll
around
get
like
the
9:45,
form
you saw your mom and Pam.
Yeah.
Okay, I see him walking up to me now.
About what time do you think
Sorry, I got sidetracked.
you blacked out?
Did you go talk to?
Yeah, I talked to Mom and
Okay, I was like,
I got
why?
their info.
I was like, why don't we have anybody over there talking to? And then I saw you guys walking out. I'm like, okay, they went over there.
Yeah. So basically, the story they gave us was, who is that?
I don't know his name, but that's his mom's the one.
That's
in
the
there.
son. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's Izir. Basically, what happened was Mom gets a cramp in her leg, she's sitting on the couch. Husband Darrell, is Chinese Tasen.
The one that's in the ambulance?
Yeah.
Yes. So that is husband.
Yeah, that's husband Darrell.
Okay.
He goes, he kind of grabs her. He's like, get your ass up, get outside, get some air. You know, if you're cramping up, go get some air. And he took exception to that.
Okay.
He's like, don't fucking talk to my mom that way.
Okay.
Shoves him. They start getting into like a fucking wrestling match. Kind of push the TV back, no damage to the TV.
Okay.
They come out here and start doing whatever they're doing. Mom didn't see what happened after they left the apartment.
Okay. Was there any allegations of a gun being pulled on anybody?
No. She goes, there's no guns. I don't know what the fuck they're talking about.
Okay. Any injuries on her from the initial get up or anything like that?
She just has a cramp in her leg. She no rescue, no EMS, no any of that.
Okay. All right. Is there a little kid in there?
No, there's a girl. Birth date is,
how old is she?
I think she's 2003, so she's about 13.
She's 13 years old.
Yeah.
Okay. And did you guys talk to her?
Yeah.
And she didn't say a gun was pulled or anything like that? Okay. Did we verify that Mom was the one that called, or who called? Do we know?
Okay. We don't know. I can.
Let me just get on the computer and look real quick.
See in his hand, right?
Did you get Mom's number? Does that match her number?
Check.
Seven 720-341.
I got 343-6826. And then the daughter's is 720-518-5756.
205.
205.
We call the RP back, find out where they are, see if we can meet with them.
Yeah, I'll see if I can get hold of them.
Thank you. All right, we'll just have services call, see if they can find them.
205 at 2247.
Because if they're saying, that there's a gun or something, we probably should talk to them.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Were you guys rolled up? Were they fucking fist fighting?
No, so Sarge got here first.
Okay.
And as we pulled up, he was parked right there.
Okay.
And we pulled up right where we are, and we jumped out, and he's giving him orders. So I'm like, just cover him. So he's giving orders, doesn't listen. We don't know if they're the ones that are armed or not. So finally he tases him, he falls down. Harris cuffs him. I search the other dude. We're good.
Okay.
So it's just a matter of we don't know if he's armed and he wasn't listening. So it's ridiculous.
If you look at the cat, that's what was airing.
Right.
Not only that, he pointed at a fucking 6-year-old apparently.
Right.